beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. In today's video I'm gonna show you this quick, simple, okay, I know what you guys thinking, it's simple for you but not for me. If you can do cornrows, it's simple. If you can't do cornrows, you have to flat twist. If you can't flat twist, today I finished my partnership with Onjackies and I'm gonna do the giveaway. So what you're gonna do is subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Google+, Yahoo, MySpace, Facebook, walk 5 miles. Girl, I'm kidding. All you need to do is subscribe, join the family, join the crew, and leave a comment by telling me what you've learned from my channel so far. That's it. Please read the details in my description box because I will mention the date in my description box and also where I will announce the winner. So the big question is, what can you win? You can win all the Onjackies products I've used in my previous 3 videos and this video. Wash day, you need the shampoo. After shampoo, you be like, I need a conditioner. Bam! In your face, moisturizing, softening conditioner. I need a deep conditioner, so whoop, pop. Which one? Cocoa Repair conditioner or Flaxseed Fix My Hair Repair Conditioning Mask. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to styling. Twist or braid out. Okay, define and curl whip. And then of course to seal you need the oil. I got you. Bam, oil. Soft all over, multi-purpose oil. Here, I got you. Edges, don't shrink, flaxseed elongating curling gel. And also, you can use this for a wash and go. Just what I did. We are not done because it's midweek, Thursday, you want to retwist your hair, I got you. Instant detangling therapy. Not on my watch. Okay, not on my watch. After this, you need to wash your hair, of course. It's Sunday, wash day again. We're gonna co-wash. Flaxseed co-wash, Purify Me Moisturizing co-wash cleanser, okay? You don't wanna use flaxseed? Okay, I got you. Cocoa wash, coconut milk conditioning cleanser. I got you. My hair is just been shampooed and conditioned and now we're gonna style. So my hair is about 40% dry, so it's 60% wet. So I want the first part to be on this side. Just a little bit, you don't want to use too much. So I already braid this section. I'm gonna show you how to do this one. I'm gonna start by making 2 sections. And to seal all the moisture, I'm gonna use the soft all over multi-purpose oil. So for my grays, the roots, I'm gonna use Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Because my grays are a little bit stubborn. They need to lay flat, but they don't want to. And now I'm gonna cornrow this section. This braid is done. Now I'm gonna use the same products on this section. I'm gonna put this braid and this hair in a bun. So I made the jumbo twist, and now I'm only gonna wrap this around and secure with the bobby pin. Onto the edges, I'm gonna use gel and a brush to smooth my edges. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you've learned something new. You already know, join the family, subscribe, comment, like this video. Until the next time, bye.